Okay, guys, I have a bunch of short horror stories, real life incidents, not made up stories, like real life happenings that have happened to my immediate family members, with my friends, with people I know, and they've shared it to me that I would like to share today with you all. Okay, so pehli story. This story goes back to when my baby sister, she's my cousin sister, she was very young. She was 8 या 9 महीने की होगी, and my auntie was all alone in the house because my uncle had gone somewhere. He was out of town, he was not there. So she was all alone in the house, and my baby sister, she got very sick, she got very ill. She was a baby, obviously they get things happen to them. Anyway, so she was unwell and the hospital was close by. It's a famous hospital of Delhi. I wouldn't name the hospital, but it's a famous hospital of Delhi, and the hospital was close by her house, and she just thought that, you know, she'll just walk to the hospital. And she also knew about a shortcut जो hospital के back side से होकर जाता था. Now she took the baby was on her shoulder, and she was walking to the hospital. और हॉस्पिटल के बैक साइड में when she was crossing it was completely deserted. There was nobody inside. और एक स्पेस नहीं होता है, दो स्ट्रीट लाइट के बीच में ऐसा अंधेरा सा स्पेस था. While she was walking in that space, and she was also very mindful, so she was constantly scanning her surroundings कि कोई है तो नहीं, because रात का टाइम था. रात का भी टाइम नहीं था, 8 बज रहे होंगे और कोई नहीं था रोड पर. शी वॉज ऑल्सो वेरी विजिलेंट अबाउट हर सराउंडिंग, सो शी वॉज ऑल्सो लाइक लुकिंग आसपास कौन है. अचानक से व्हेन शी रीच्ड द स्पॉट, जो डार्क स्पॉट बिटवीन 2 स्ट्रीट लाइट्स, शी सॉ अ ब्यूटिफुल हैंड ऑफ अ वुमन. द हैंड हैड रेड नेल पेंट्स, शी रिमेंबर्स इट टिल डेट. एंड बहुत पतला सा गोरा रेड नेल पेंट था हाथों पे. वो ऐसे आता है एंड द हैंड टचेस द बेबी, and she heard a voice very close to her ears, voice of a woman, and the woman said, मैं तुम्हारी बेटी को चुम्मा ले लूँ. English translation, can I kiss your daughter? And when my auntie saw the hand and the voice, she did not stop a beat, and she just jerked, she looked back उसी टाइम पे. Spoilers, there was nobody, दूर तक there was no one. But that really scared my aunt, and she had goosebumps all over, because she had just seen that hand, that beautiful hand. She had just heard the voice कि मैं, can I kiss your daughter? And my aunt literally started running, sprinting. She did go to the hospital, got her checked. But उसके बाद से मेरी बहन की तबीयत और ख़राब हो गई, and my aunt also got very sick. So she started vomiting, she was with a temperature, and she started getting checked. Doctors say, and the doctor was like, there is nothing wrong with you, you know, you don't have food poisoning, it's not even viral, so you know, you just take paracetamol, take this, take that. But she was very sick for 2 weeks straight, and she just could not explain. But अचानक से एक दिन she was just, you know, talking to my nani ji, and she told her कि, and she just suddenly remembered कि, you know, ऐसा हुआ था. She just told, and my nani ji was like, तुम पे कुछ ऊपरी कुछ है चीज़, you need to not go to the doctor but to a pandit or someone who is an expert in all of these things. But my mami ji was just not ready कि ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Anyway, but she was forced, because she was also so unwell, the baby was also not getting well, तो इसीलिए they went to a pandit in the nearby temple. और उसने बोला कि हाँ, there is something, कुछ ऊपरी, उसने कुछ, you know, कुछ चीज़ें की. Eventually शाम तक, like सुबह कुछ चीज़ें की, शाम तक both of them were like jumping basically. They were so, they everything was fixed, they were all well, like सब कुछ ठीक हो गया. So yeah, that is okay. So this second story is about my cousin brother, मेरे ताई जी के बेटे. तो जब वो 17-18 साल के थे, माई ताई जी's फैमिली, दे हैड शिफ्टेड टू अनदर न्यू प्लेस, अ रेंटेड प्लेस, एंड सो उनका पूरा घर था, उसके बिल्कुल बहुत चिपके घर थे कॉलोनी में। तो उन्होंने नया घर लिया, मेरे भाई ने नया दोस्त बनाया जो उनका पड़ोसी था, मिकी। ओके, Mickey was his new friend, but the friendship was very new. So my brother did not know a lot about like Mickey and his family. They only played cricket ऐसे शाम में, तो बहुत नई दोस्ती थी। तो एक दिन मेरे भैया, he was talking to his friend. So it was past 12 in the night. He was talking to his friend. He was outside the house. So he was on the street basically. तो कॉलोनी का street था, pretty safe and everything. And when he was talking on the phone, he saw a woman coming out of Mickey's house, and the woman was started like walking, like taking a stroll. What happened was, so he saw a woman coming out of Mickey's house, and he thought, my brother thought कि ये Mickey की mother होगी, मम्मी होगी, और वो woman ऐसे stroll कर रही थी आगे, मतलब she started taking a stroll, and because उस woman का पूरा बाल was covering her face, he could not see who the woman is. And when my brother cut the phone, he just thought of like making small talks because he was also new in the neighborhood, और उसको लगा मिकी की मम्मी है तो कुछ बात करते हैं। तो he approached the woman and he was like, आंटी मिकी नहीं आया बाहर वॉक करने, something he asked, something along the same lines. And when he approached her and he started talking, the woman turned back, looked at my brother, and my brother saw that the woman did not have a face. So it was just, she did not have eyes, she did not have nose, no lips, nothing. It was just plain skin. And my brother fainted. He straight away fainted there. He did not know for how long he was out, because when he regained his consciousness, he was lying on the road, he was all by himself. He was like, what the fuck? Ran back to the house. Taiji was like, she had lost her shit. जब वो घर गया, उसकी ताईजी उसको सुना रही है कि तुम कहाँ बाहर थे, you are smoking, you are smoking there, you were talking to your girlfriend and all that. My taiji was accusing him of, and he was like, you don't even know what I've seen. And then he goes on to explain कि ताईजी को ये देखा, and my ताईजी is like कि तुम बहाना मार रहे हो because I know कि तुम बाहर कुछ गर्लफ्रेंड से बात कर रहे थे, कुछ स्मोक कर रहे थे, इसलिए तुम्हें पता है बहाना मार रहे हो, तो कुछ भी कर रहे हो. My ताईजी did not believe it. Next day my brother tries to find out who the woman was. और जो आंटी, जो हेल्पर थी घर पे, जो काम करती थी घर पे आंटी, उनसे पता चलता है कि मिक्की की मम्मी 3 साल पहले गुजर चुकी हैं, और जो मिक्की की मम्मी अभी हैं वो उनकी मौसी थी. सो मिक्की हैज़ अ स्टेप मदर, एंड that was the story. So he put 2 and 2 together, and he just thought that maybe it was the departed mother's atma taking a stroll in the middle of the night. So like these are 2 short stories from my family that I just shared. I have again a lot more that I will share in, but how are you gonna know about it if you do not subscribe? So go ahead, subscribe, and stay tuned. Watch out for this space for more spooky, haunted, real life stories. It will make your life interesting, so keep on watching. Bye.